Hi, I'm Helena Paul and I'm really excited because I'm going to be hosting an event called iCan Shine on the 17th and 18th of December. It's going to be talking about all kinds of wellbeing issues, but go to their website, icancommunitychurch.com for more information.
Hi, my name is Janice Salaby and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the 17th and the 18th of December at iCan Shine. There I will be talking about bereavement. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye.
Good afternoon. Hi, my name is Leon. I'm a qualified therapist, and on the 17th of December I'll be talking about red flags in respect of men's mental health. Stay safe and I hope to see you there.
Hello there, my name is Kim Backus from Kim Backus Solutions. I'm a qualified executive transformational coach and a facilitator. But more importantly, I am a domestic violence survivor. Join me as I will be sharing parts of my story and shining a bright light on domestic abuse. I will be bringing awareness to the hidden yet ever so prevalent world of domestic abuse to help us fight against domestic violence by educating ourselves on this topic. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Mark Fleming, Director of Positive Mental Health Scotland, and I'm looking forward to giving you some really good practical tips on how you can enjoy good mental health.
Hello, my name is Maureen Greaves and I'm a consultant family therapist. I'm one of the speakers at the iCan Shine Wellbeing Conference, and my topic will be family conflict resolution so that you and your loved ones can live in peace in your home.
Hi there. My name's David Frederick, and join me for my session, Money Worries, where the title is Money Worries is No Problems. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Georgina Walker, and I'm inviting you to iCan Shine on the 17th and 18th of December, a time for discussing mental health, well-being, conflict resolution, and more. Join us then. Remember, I can, you can, we can shine. See you.
So, to ensure your friends and family don't miss out on this amazing event, send the registration link out to at least 10 other people. That's bit.ly/shine wellbeing. See you there. Bye bye.